If you're looking for a website builder for beginners, I'm going to go over 3 features that make Website.com the perfect website builder for any beginner. Website.com lets you create a professional website without being a professional web designer or developer with no coding or experience needed. I'm currently logged into my Site Builder account, and I'll walk you through the top 3 beginner-friendly features. The first feature that makes Website.com perfect for beginners is that it is automatically mobile optimized. These days, most users visit websites from their phone, and lucky for you, websites made with the Website.com Site Builder are automatically optimized for mobile, which means you don't need to do anything to make them phone or tablet ready. So here is the design that I have for my website from a template, and if you want to see the mobile versions of your website, you simply need to click on Preview right here, and just click on these icons to see how they'll look on tablet or on a smartphone. You don't need to make any changes within the Site Builder. This is done for you automatically. We'll go back to the Site Builder now. Another beginner-friendly feature that is unique to Website.com is the function-focused sections. Your website is made up of sections, and sections are built with function in mind, which include the features you need to get results. For example, let's say we want to add a section here. We'll click Add Section. And now you'll notice all the different types of sections that have different features. Here are testimonial sections, an FAQ section, a contact form section. All of these section layouts include features that are industry researched to get results. So for example, let's say we choose a testimonial section. It includes an icon and a text section to add testimonials so that you can get more credibility for your business. You can choose a single testimonial style or these multi-testimonial styles. Now let's choose a team section. You'll see that there are images, text, and social media links. For example, let's choose this one right here. All you have to do now is click right on the section to edit it. Just add your own images and text to make this your own. You can edit right on the builder or find more precise design options on the left. Making your website with sections takes the guesswork out of making your website, so all you have to do is choose the layout you like and fill in the blanks with your own content. And lastly, with the Website.com Site Builder, your domain name and website are automatically linked up and you're ready to go online with the click of a button. When you sign up, you'll sign up for your own custom domain name, and after you've built your website, once you click Publish, your website will be published to your domain name so you can be found there. We'll take care of all the back-end stuff so you don't need to worry about that. Just click Publish right here, and now you'll see here is my domain name. We'll click to visit the site. And now here is the live website, live to this domain name. Are you ready to make your own website? As you can see, it's so simple and perfect for beginners. Find the link for Website.com in the description, and thanks for watching.